Hey guys, Rebecca from Horion here. I just want to take you through some features of Horion's interactive flat panel and show you how to use it. Now let's take a look at the whiteboard. We can choose different colors and different pen width. We can even choose the color of the background of the whiteboard. The writing font can be moved, zoomed in and out, copied or deleted at will. If we write something incorrectly, we can erase it with the back of our hand, and we can also clear the screen with one simple click. In addition, the panel supports 20-point touch writing as well as single-point precision writing. At the bottom right-hand side of the screen, we can add more pages and delete as we wish. We can also scroll and switch between the pages however we like. Horion M5A's unique cloud conferencing system supports screen sharing among multiple interactive flat panels. We can start meetings and even share meeting IDs to other participants to achieve real-time face-to-face information sharing through two-way touchscreens. The interactive flat panel can support off-site whiteboard sharing, and the handwriting of both parties can be displayed synchronously. Whiteboard sharing supports video sync for up to 4 parties and audio sync for up to 10. Using the handwriting recognition software, our handwritten notes can be easily recognized and transformed into standard fonts. If there are keywords that we wish to search online, all we need to do is select the word and launch the internet browser. We can take screenshots and annotate any of the web pages we wish. The whiteboard interface can support image insertion. The inserted images can carry out operations such as spin, zoom in and out, copy and delete. Additionally, we can insert triangles, circles, lines, and more. Or we can insert a smart shape. The minutes formed on Horion's interactive flat panel can be saved in various file formats. Click the Save button to send via email, print, or save to the local USB driver. We can also choose to save as whiteboard files, image files, and PDF files. We can also directly generate a QR code which can be easily saved to our mobile phone by scanning it.